The next deeper dive that we will be doing will be with the icon for the modules. As you open the modules, you'll see that there are 8 modules that we'll look at. Specifically now, we're going to look at Module 1, Preparing for a Physically Literate Life. The first section is Resources, and Module 1 lesson plans has all the lesson plans that you will need, starting with learning outcomes. It'll show the TEKS and the GLOs. Then it will go to the key terms used with the definitions available. Next, you're going to see the materials that you will need for this lesson. And then you have a unique GW lesson plan with the 7 E's. Elicit. It's going to help students find out what they already know. Next is engage. It's going to get the students involved with a warm-up activity. Explore will provide hands-on activities. If you're in the classroom, it'll be some type of learning sheet, or if you're in the gymnasium or an active area, it will be a movement activity. Explain presents the concepts. Elaborate and extend will expand on what students have already learned. And then finally, evaluate will be some type of assessment to help students connect the dot and give you an understanding of what they know. The resources, and also in the resources, is the answer key. It's going to give you all of the answers to every document you'll need: pre-test, post-test, exit tickets, review and reflection questions, the matching, anything that you have, the answer key will have your answers. Next, we'll look at the presentations. And this is a colorful way of showing the content for each lesson. So students can look at the definition of physical literacy and start to begin to understand physical fitness and wellness in this particular lesson. Social benefits, mental, emotional. And it's a quick snapshot. But all on this presentation, all the lessons are included. There are points to ponder where you can have discussions with your students. And then once you get to the end, there are places where students can practice vocabulary. There are also places where students can have a scenario based on real life situations that they can answer. And then a nice positive message at the end around everything that they've learned. As we move along the modules, you'll see the lesson 1.1 has the learning objectives. And here are all of the handouts or materials that you'll need. That, again, easily can be downloaded into your computer, uploaded into an LMS for your students. And then the last part of each module is the review and assessment. And that's where you're going to have your pre-test, your review and reflection questions, and any handouts. And just as a reminder, any teacher-directed activity is a movement activity. So that is a deeper dive into the modules. Now it's your turn, and let's explore yourselves.